All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Russ here with When This Was All New. And this one is strictly a picking pattern song here. We have 4 chords, or actually not chords here. It's based upon 4 different chords here. So yeah, let's start. We don't need any capo, so let's go through the different notes for each chord there. So we will actually not look at any specific chord here, just the notes. So the first 4 notes there is based upon the C chord here. So it will be 4 notes for each and every chord there. So the first is based upon the C, and you need to play this. Okay, these 4 notes. So first, third on the A string, then second on D, then open B, and first B. You will play that for 4 rounds, and that will be the same for all these chords or notes there, 4 rounds. Okay, the next following 4 notes will be based upon the A minor chord, but will look nothing like an A minor. It will be like this, and that is 5th on the E string in the bass, then 3rd on the A string, then 2nd G string, and then open B. 4 rounds of this. And if this is difficult to get this grip, especially with this 5th here on the E string, since it needs to go pretty faster from C to the A minor here, then instead of hitting this 5th on the E string, you could play the open A, and the rest will be the same. So open A and then 3rd on the A. So you need to put your finger on the A string right after, and then the rest there, same. 2nd on the G and open B. So that could be easier with the grip here, but you need to work more with your finger here, that is hitting the 3rd here on the A string. So I need to... Yeah, so it's up to you how you prefer to play. I prefer to play it on the 5th fret E string here, since that also gives you a better flow in this melody. It will ring out more and give, yeah, it will sound a little bit better in my opinion. But that is optional, so it's your choice there. We go on here to the next chord. It will be based upon the F here, these notes, and it will sound like this. So that is 1st on the E in the bass, and 3rd on the A, and 3rd on D, and open G. And again, you play this for 4 rounds. And then final is based upon the G here, so that will sound like this. Sorry. Yeah, that's how it sounds. So it will be 3rd here on the E string in the bass, then 2nd on the A, then open G, and 2nd G. And again, 4 rounds of this. So the whole picking part here with the all chords here will sound like this, a little bit slow so you can be able to follow. Yeah. So that pretty much covers the song, guys, because it goes like this through the whole entire song there. And that was Russ, When This Was All New, covered and Gordon guitar. So good luck with this one and see you soon. Don't forget, play tune.